Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sell a product. It may be an old one or a new product in Facebook Marketplace. So for that you need a computer or your mobile phone. So wherever you have to log into your Facebook account. So I have already logged in to my Facebook account. So if you don't have a Facebook account, definitely you have to create a Facebook account using register option, or you have to sign in and you have to use your Facebook ID and you have to sign in. So let's get started. So once you have opened your Facebook, so this is how the page looks in your screen. So in the left side of the screen you can see some tabs and you can find this marketplace here. So in this marketplace, just click the marketplace. So these are some items who have already posted. So if you are going to create a new post, so here again the left side there is a create new listing. So click on that create new listing and you have to choose what you are going to sell. So there are some categories. So I am going to sell the item. Click on the item for sale. So for selling an item, definitely you need to add the photos. So before posting anything in the marketplace, you have to keep ready and upload the photos inside the computer so that you could be able to add those photos in using a computer, or it's easy using your mobile phone itself. So I am just going to show you some photos I'm going to just add. So for say I have some fabrics here, so I'm going to attach you have to show a different view of that item, so that it's better if you have multiple photos to show different angle, and if any details are required you can zoom and click a photo on that, and then you can add every photos whatever people need to buy a product. So it may be a new one or it may be an old one. So I'm just posting a new, this is a cotton fabric. So there are some different photos, I have added around 3 photos, and if you want to add more photos, we can add up to 10 photos in a marketplace. So you just click on the add photo, then again that our tab opens and you can choose photo wherever the location you have already saved it. So now I am done with the photos. Now we have to add the details. So title is green cotton fabric, and you have to choose your, say I'm putting $5 green cotton fabric, and you have default categories to choose, so you can choose whatever the category you are posting. So women's clothing, and there are dresses. I'm just choosing some related category. And what is the condition? So there are 4 conditions they are showing, like is it a new product, or is it like used one but like a new one, or used but a good item, and it's a fairly used item. Like you have to choose the thing. Now it's a new product and you have to definitely write some details. So I'm writing it's 100% cotton fabric, new, and sold in yards. Available quantity is like say 10 yards. So this is the description I'm giving, and we don't need all these, it's an optional thing. So I'm just ignoring these things. Brand, dress length, it's because it's just a fabric. And then if you have any detail you can add these details and then click on next and choose the location. So where you are going to widen the area. So it depends on which location you are. If you want people around your area, or if you are ready to ship the product whole wide in US or whatever country you are in, so you have to choose according to your thing. So my location is, I am in this place called Everett, and So delivery method, I don't want to choose any external option. So default there is a local pickup only. I'm just keeping this option and then I'm clicking next. So there are some default groups or there are more groups, and these groups will show the nearby Facebook groups, where you can just click on that and you can add your post to show up all these in these groups. So it will extend your area of selling your product. So or else there are some suggestion, you could join group, but later you can add in these also. So I'm just clicking on these three and then I'm just publishing it. So after publishing, it will ask for either you want to boost the listing. So boosting we don't require now, because if you click on this, then we have to pay some amount and we are paying for the ad. So it will be showing vast areas. So Facebook is giving a suggestion whether you want to boost this listing. So whatever you have listed for sale, whether you want to boost. So as of now I don't want to boost, because it's okay for me to just sell my product in the local area, and I don't want to widen my listing to be shown. So I don't want to spend money on the ads in the Facebook. So my thing is listed here. So now I have already sold some items, and so these are sold items. So this is the one active one. So once if anyone is contacting, you will be getting messages in this messenger tab. So if your notification is on in your computer or in your mobile phone, so automatically if someone is contacting you regarding this product, it will be in your messenger with the first, it will be shown as a marketplace messenger. So these are my previous listings being sold, and so many have already contacted me for that listing. So these are the things being shown here. So this is how you will post a listing or to sell a product in the Facebook marketplace. I think this video will be helpful for you to do any listing in your Facebook account. So if there is any suggestions and any comments, please do comments, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I have been already uploading so many videos in my YouTube channel. So if you have any suggestion, please do comment and give your suggestion what kind of videos I could upload in future. Thank you.